Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to add pictures to your TikTok videos. It is quite simple, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do is open up your TikTok app. And from here, you want to act like you're taking a video on TikTok. So go ahead and click the big old plus button at the very bottom. Once you're here, you can do this two different ways. You can click upload on the right side and select a photo that you would like. So it will just and then the other option is clicking on effects. And then I already have it bookmarked, but you need to look for this icon. Go ahead and go to green screen. Scroll down. Then as you can see, it is right there. You want to go ahead and click that. Then that will pop up. You'll want to click one of your photos. And then here you want to make sure your face is out of the way, otherwise it will pick it up. And then take a video, and then you can take it right back off and go back to your video. But they say you add a image to your TikTok. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot. And I will see you in the next video.